If you start getting into some older cocktail recipes, you may stumble upon references to a shrub and wonder, what the hell's a shrub?
A shrubbery! A what?
Happy happy hour. I'm Dave, the basement bartender. Before refrigeration, fresh fruit would spoil quickly. People figured out that they could preserve fruit by storing it in a pot with sugar. After a few weeks, the fruit ferments, and vinegar is born. With vinegar come bright, vibrantly fresh flavors. Add a little more sugar, and you've got a shrub. So what do we do with a shrub? I've got 5 easy cocktails that all include some of my favorite shrubs. Let's get this thing started. Shrubs are essentially sugar syrups, but instead of combining sugar and water, we combine sugar and vinegar. Because of the vinegar, when stored properly, shrubs essentially have an infinite shelf life. For this reason, shrubs used to be a favorite of smugglers. Upon arrival to a port, they could dump their cargo at sea, declare any trivial goods that remain on board, and pull up the undeclared cargo weeks, even months later.
You see, boy, the real money's in bootlegging, not in your childish vandalism.
Oh, so many wasted nights.
Shrubs can be consumed with a bit of sparkling water or added to iced tea and lemonade. But remember, they're really acidic, so they require a bit of balance with citrus. Use a light hand and taste regularly.
Come get a taste.
In a cocktail, shrubs provide a sweet and tangy profile that makes liquor sing. A general formula to consider would be something like 1.5 to 2 ounces of a base spirit, like gin, tequila, or vodka, a half ounce of shrub, a half to full ounce of complementing fruit juice or liqueur, and a few dashes of cocktail bitters. Let's try making an elderberry mojito with a shrub. In a cocktail shaker, squeeze a half of a lime, cut into wedges to yield about half an ounce of juice. Add the wedges to the shaker, 6 mint leaves, and a half ounce of elderberry shrub. Muddle this and fill the shaker with ice. Add 2 ounces of rum, along with 2 dashes of orange bitters, and shake for 15 seconds. Dirty dump this into a glass and garnish with mint and a straw. The shrub creates a sweet and sour combo that really complements the lime and the rum.
Damn if that isn't delicious.
Let's try making a botanical cocktail incorporating shrubs that I'm calling an Herbal Fling. An unexpected pairing of strawberry rosemary shrub, gin, and lavender. Make a light and refreshing cocktail perfect for enjoying in a spring garden. Building directly in a stemmed glass. Combine 1.5 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of strawberry rosemary shrub, and 3 dashes of lavender bitters. Stir over ice and top off with club soda. Express some lemon oil and garnish with a lemon peel. It's incredibly simple and incredibly delicious.
You should know that my recommendation is essentially a guarantee. Drink this.
Now let's play a bit with a mule. Combine 1.5 ounces of peach and orange blossom vodka with 1.5 ounces of red currant shrub. Add a few dashes of peach bitters and top off with ginger beer. Stir to combine. Squeeze some fresh lime juice and toss in the lime wedge for garnish. This is also a great option to leave the vodka out if you want to enjoy the brightness of the shrub without any alcohol. I mean, I guess someone's got to be responsible. It ain't gonna be me.
Where to first?
Your mother's butt.
Now let's see how an old-fashioned takes to a raspberry orange shrub. Start with a rocks glass. Add half an orange wheel, a few cherries, a half ounce of raspberry orange shrub, and 2 dashes of cherry bitters. Give it a muddle, add an ice sphere, and 2.5 ounces of bourbon or rye whiskey. Give it a few revolutions to combine. Express some orange oil and garnish with an orange peel. It is a very interesting, fruit-forward old-fashioned that beautifully highlights the whiskey.
I like it a lot.
And for my beer fans, a pineapple sage shrub shandy. A shandy is a bubbly beer cocktail combining a blonde lager and juice. In my beer mug, combine 1 ounce of a pineapple sage shrub, 2 ounces of pineapple juice, and about 8 ounces of a blonde lager. Garnish with a sage skewer, and this will go down effortlessly.
Well, this better be the best tasting beer in the world. You got lucky.
I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please help me out by booping the like button, subscribe and share the channel, and let me know in the comments how you're gonna use shrubs in your mixed drinks. Special thanks to the Urban Farmhouse Company for the inspiration. While this video is not sponsored, I'll put their info in the description if you're looking to up your shrub game. Please drink responsibly. We'll see you next time.